Hello my lovelies, it is Friday morning and the start of another wedding weekend. We actually have 7 events over the next 4 days. Big weekend, nice and exciting, lots of fun. It looks much earlier than it really is right now. And now I'm off to get some coffee. Good morning!
Good morning! Happy Friday, everyone!
Aloha is with me. We have one more person coming, but we're heading into work.
Yeah, it's cold out here. Thanks to my pastor, you guys like my fly jacket?
Event 1 is done and off to event 2.
It is 3:40 and I've done 12 heads today.
Yes, you have.
3:40.
You badass.
12 heads.
And now
I started off cold with my pastor's jacket, starving, and knocked out 12 heads. 2 weddings, 12 heads. Pat on the back.
Good job, Aloha.
Feeling accomplished on this Friday, I must say.
Good job.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're applauding for me. Clap it out. But I do want the world to know. I want to let it show that. Look at my lips.
It's much stronger than it looks. It's Saturday. Personify has 2 weddings today. 2. Our wedding's not until a little later, so it's not dark out and I'm not as tired. Good morning, it is Sunday. It is day 3 of doing weddings so far this weekend. We have 2 more weddings today. My team is heading out to Elk Grove, and we have another team heading off somewhere into the wild blue yonder. I can't recall where at this point because it's early. It's either like Dutch Flats or Forest Hill or Soda Springs or something. Apparently I don't know because I'm too tired. And come along. It is 5 o'clock and I realized I've totally slacked on videos today to a new thing. I didn't do any video of my new class starting today, and I had a brand new class starting for method makeup, and I had 4 beautiful students I'm really excited about, and I didn't record anything. Totally slacking. Well, it's 5 o'clock and I'm done with today's work. Just now wrapped up, so my client today was, I think, at 8. My first wedding was at 8, and then classes right after that, and now I'm done for the day and I get to go home and eat. Good morning. It is Monday morning. It is the last day we're doing weddings for this weekend, and we have a wedding in Napa. Aloha and I are going to this one. It is, again, early in the morning. We're going to Napa, so you have to leave early. I'm so tired.